Tonight, a 2017 Audi R8 V10 Plus. Now this car is Manat's car, the Silver Surfer. It's got the BBS wheels, it looks absolutely spectacular, so hopefully you guys enjoy. The exhaust setup is very important though. Completely stock car, no tune, no software, factory headers, factory cats. All it has is the true F1 non-valve catback from Valvetronic, stainless steel. That's the only modification performance-wise to the vehicle, and you're going to hear it's a much more high-frequency Audi R8 exhaust experience than normal. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the sound of the Silver Surfer. So that, everybody, was the Silver Surfer Audi R8. Now again, the exhaust configuration, which is listed below in the description. You have the Valvetronic Design's true F1 Catback, stainless steel. Factory headers, factory cats, no software, no tune. There is no other modifications to this vehicle performance-wise besides the true F1 Catback. Now it fits the facelift bumpers 2022 Plus, it fits the 2017 Plus, and we also have variations for the previous Gen 1 R8, Gen 1.5, and we also have the systems for the Huracan, STOs, etc. All these 5.2 liter V10 cars can be fixed with the Valvetronic True F1 system. But again, this car is bone stock. Just this catback really transforms the landscape. This video was filmed on an iPhone 17 Pro. There's no audio editing whatsoever. It's just raw iPhone clips for you guys tonight. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Thanks so much.